Today, we are going to explore how to install, configure, and use the one-page navigation and scroll menu widget from the Royal Addons plugin for WordPress and Elementor. This widget is perfect for creating seamless on-page navigation for your website, enhancing user experience by allowing easy access to different sections of your website's pages. Let's get started. First, we need to install the Royal Addons plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type Royal Elementor Addons. Click Install Now and then Activate. If you are finding this video helpful, kindly like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos. Make sure you have Elementor installed and activated, as this widget relies on it to function properly. Now that we have the plugin installed, let's add the one-page navigation widget. Go to the page where you want to add this feature, and click Edit with Elementor. In the Elementor editor, look for the Royal Addons section in the widget panel. Find the one-page navigation widget, drag and drop it into your desired section on the page. You'll see a default navigation menu appear. This is where we'll configure our sections. Under the Content tab, you can add section titles and section IDs. Make sure each section you want to link to has a corresponding ID. To add a section ID to a section, click on the section you want to link by clicking the Edit Container option in the Section tab, then go to the Advanced tab, and enter the ID in the CSS ID field. Once you've configured these settings, move on to the Style tab to customize the appearance of your navigation. In the Content tab, you can adjust the layout of the menu by changing the horizontal position and the vertical position of the menu. By clicking the Style tab and accessing the Navigation Item menu option, you can adjust the icon color, menu background color, and icon size. To assign each menu item to a section, you will need to include the CSS ID tag we assigned earlier. To locate the section CSS ID tag for each section, click the Edit Container option in the Section tab. In the Edit Container menu, click the Advanced tab and scroll down to the section labeled CSS ID. Enter a unique identifier such as the word Section 1. This will be the identifier we will assign to the first menu item. Next, return to the Navigation menu widget. Select the first menu item labeled Section 1. Enter the CSS ID that we just assigned to the section into the Section ID field for that menu item, then click Publish or Update to save the changes. Repeat these steps for the remaining menu items. Next, let's test our menu with the newly assigned section identifiers to ensure the scroll function is working properly and each menu item scrolls to the correct section on the page. Next, let's change the menu icon to an icon that accurately represents the content of the section. For example, we can change the icon for the section containing the contact form to the envelope icon by selecting that icon from the list of available icons. Now, we want to increase the size of the icons to make them more visible. To do this, click the Style tab and then choose the Navigation Item menu option from the menu. Scroll down to the item labeled Icon Size and adjust the icons to the desired size. Once complete, click Publish or Update to save the changes. You can add additional menu items by clicking the Add Item button. Ensure that each new item corresponds to a section on the page. This will ensure that your visitors will easily have access to the information on the page they are looking for. And that's it. You've successfully installed, configured, the one-page navigation widget for WordPress and Elementor. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content, and leave any questions in the comments below. Watch another one of our videos for additional WordPress tips and tricks.